What's up, guys? So it's April 29th and I'm going to show you all 3 cardio sessions, and 2 of them are going to be HIIT and 1 is going to be a plyometrics circuit thing. So HIIT cardio is just high intensity interval training. So it's just like a faster way to burn cardio. So you do a lot of high intensity things followed with a little bit of rest, and then you repeat, intervals. So obviously I'm not going to do all of these at once, so these are going to be filmed on different days, but I just want to give you all an idea of what you could do. The first HIIT workout I'm going to show you all is stairs.
This is celebration, this is levitation. Look at how you winning now, this took dedication.
Okay, so I found some random steps in my apartment place. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to frog jump up that staircase, and then I'm going to walk across and then walk back down, and then come back over immediately and walk up the stairs with my left leg leading, and then walk across, walk back down, then walk up the stairs with my right leg leading, and then walk across, walk back down, and then I'm going to do stair switches, and I'm going to, after that, so stair switches for 15 seconds, and then I'm going to take a 45-second break, and then I'm going to try to repeat that, and you can do that for about 10 or 15 minutes. Let me get mentally prepared. Okay, so I'm just going to record this as a workout thing, and I'm going to see how high I can get my heart rate up.
I was sketched up on a Tuesday.
Alright, battles on me, long as I'ma drink it. Never drop the ball, cause y'all thinking. Making sure the time flies, ship is never sinking. About to set it off in the chest. All I need's a red jacket and some zippers. Super good snitto, a package of the swishers. I did it on a Tuesday, couldn't happen any quicker. But yeah, I know that, with me neither. And point the biggest skeptic, gotta make him a believer. It wouldn't be the first time I did it, throwing hundreds where I should be throwing ones. Got running, the club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up. Now music when it hits you feel no pain, and I swear I got shit to make these bitches go insane. So they tell me that they love me, I know better than that. It's just game, it's just what comes with the fame, and I'm ready for that, just saying. I really can't complain, everything is kosher. 2 thumbs up, Ebert and Roper. I really can't see the end getting any closer, but I'll probably still be the man when everything is over. So I'm riding through the city with my high beams on. Can you see me, can you see me, get your Visine on. Y'all just do not fit the picture, turn your widescreen on. If you're thinking I'm a quit before I die, dream on. Man, they treat me like a legend, am I really this cold? I'm really too young to be feeling this old. It's about time you admit it, who you kidding, man? Nobody's ever done it like I did it. Going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Protecting Peter like I was rocking some cheetah. Remember District 13, oh you got you amnesia. I came to smash this like Katniss Everdeen. See them naked, that's the baddest bitch I ever seen. Hey, running this flow, man I got this, running this glow. I'ma throw the up so you presidents know. Do it for the Hunger Games, for my city, for myself. We gon' turn up people like we rockin' District 12. The club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the cut, she Tuesday. Club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl.
Anyways, this is a good HIIT circuit. You just find some stairs, because you're really cool to burn. And HIIT is good if you want to preserve muscle. Okay, it helps preserve muscle because the intensity is like you're lifting weights, so that helps. And I just decided that I'm gonna just break up the video into 2 parts. So the next part will be the plyos and another HIIT session. So that'll be what's next. Also, I put the stair HIIT workout in the description below, and thanks for watching.
I was sketched up.